Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you how you can send money to Safepal to Cash App. It's a very easy thing to do. For this, first open Safepal app. After opening the app, you will see this home page. Then you will see the list of coin here. Now select which coin you want to send. For example, select Bitcoin from here. Now you will see there bunch of options: swap, receive, send. Now from here select send, then enter the amount, and what you have to do, you need a address to paste here. Now how you got the address? For this, first open Cash App from your device and log into your account. Now from here tap on the bank icon from here. Now you will be redirected to this page. From here select Bitcoin. Now you will redirected to this page. Scroll down and you will see an option deposit Bitcoin. Now select it, and then you need to verify your identity to get this address. After verify, you will see this address and copy it from there. Now go back to Safepal app and then paste the address here, and then click next, and that's it. That's how you can send Safepal to your money to Cash App. You can convert the Bitcoin to cash from Cash App. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like.